In today's lecture, we are going to discuss some questions of exercise 1.3 of chapter 1 of class 12 mathematics. So let us start with question number 6. The question is, show that the function f defined from -1, 1 to r given by fx equals to x upon x plus 2 is 1, 1. Is 1, 1. Find the inverse of function f -1 to 1 range of f. Show that the function defined from -1 to 1 to real number given by fx equals to x by x plus 2 is 1, 1. First of all, we have to show that this function is 1, 1. Then find the inverse of the function this. This can also be written as, the question may be in this form also. Let f -1 to 1 y fx equals to x upon x plus 2, where x is not equal to -2 and y equals to range of f. Show that f is invertible. F is invertible and find f inverse. And find f inverse. So the question is either in this form or in this form. The meaning is same. Now, how to find the solution of this question? In both the questions, first of all, we have to prove that the function is 1, 1 and we have to prove that it is onto. Then it is invertible. If the function is invertible, then only inverse is possible. So in both the questions, we have to prove that the function is 1, 1 and onto. Or we can say that we have to prove that this function is invertible. So let us start. We have f of x1 equal to f of x2. This is the procedure how to prove a function to be 1, 1. Now the function is what? X upon x plus 2, x upon x plus 2. So we will write in place of fx1, x1 upon x1 plus 2, in place of fx2, this is x2 and x2 plus 2. Now by cross multiplication, we will further simplify this and we will get x1, x2 plus 2, this is x2, x1 plus 2. And we will get x1, x2, this is 2x1, this is x2, x1 and this is 2x2. These two cancel out, we will get 2x1 equals to 2x2, or we can say that x1 equal to x2. So whenever fx1 equal to fx2 and we prove that x1 equals to x2, then it means f is 1, 1. So we write, therefore f is 1, 1. Okay children? Now, it is given that this is domain and this is range. It means the function which is defined from -1 to 1 and gives range of f. It means every element of this range has a pre-image. It means automatically the function is onto. So no need to prove the function to be onto. So in this question, in both the parts, in this also, this y is range of f. It means this is range of f. So both the questions are same. F -1 to 1, range of f. This is f -1 to 1 and y. Y is what? Range of f. It means every element of this range has a pre-image in the domain. So automatically we can say that the function is onto. So we will write since range of f equals to y. So f is onto. Now since the function is 1 1 and onto, so it is invertible. Thus f is 1 1 and onto, therefore it is invertible. When a function is invertible, then only inverse is possible. So now we will find the inverse. In first question it is find the inverse of the function this. In second also show that the f is invertible and find f inverse. So first part is prove that the function is invertible. Now come to the second part. That means we have to find the inverse of f. So for that, let y belongs to y. It means y is an element which belongs to the range of the function. Then there exists x belongs to -1 1. This is the pre-image of element y in the domain such that fx equals to y. The image of x is y, so the pre-image of y is x. Now y equal to fx equal to y, so y equal to fx. Now what is the value of fx? X upon x plus 2. So this is x upon x plus 2. After further simplification by using cross multiplication method, we may write this as. Now, or we can write this is xy plus 2y equals to x. And after further simplification, we want to find the value of x. So we can write this as 2y equals to x minus xy, or we can write this as 2y equals to x 1 minus y. So the value of x is 2y upon 1 minus y. When we say fx equal to y, then when we transfer this f on the right hand side, then this becomes x equals to f inverse y. So what is x? X is f inverse y. So in place of this we can write f inverse y equals to 2y upon 1 minus y. Now come to question number 8. Let R plus be the set of all positive real number. Be the set of all positive real numbers. Let f r plus 2 4 to infinity. and fx equals to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible and find f inverse. F is invertible and find f inverse. So this is same as we have done in question number 6. First of all, we have to prove that this is invertible. Then we have to find the inverse of f. So the solution is same. The method is same. We will apply the same method. First of all, we will write we have fx1 equals to fx2. Now, what is fx? X square plus 4. So we will write x1 square plus 4. This is x2 square plus 4. Now 4 and 4 cancel out. X1 square equals to x2 square. Or we can say that this is x1 square minus x2 square equals to 0. So by making factors, we get x1 plus x2 and x1 minus x2 equals to 0. Or we can say that x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Why? Because this is not equal to 0. x1 plus x2 is not equal to 0. Why? Because this is defined in positive real numbers. So when we add any two positive real numbers, then their sum is not equal to 0. Because x1, x2 belongs to R plus. So when we add any two positive real numbers, then their sum is not equal to 0. It means this is not equal to 0. So only this is 0. The product of two numbers is 0. Either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. But since this is not equal to 0, so only this is 0. So from this we will get x1 equal to x2. Now whenever fx1 equal to fx2 and we have proved that x1 equal to x2, therefore f is 1, 1. Now we will prove this as onto. In the previous question, all the elements of range are having pre-image. So in that we only prove 1, 1. Onto it will be automatic. But in this question we have to prove that this is onto. For that, now suppose this function is x square plus 4. In place of this fx, we will assume y equals to x square plus 4. Now, further simplification, we will get x square equals to y minus 4 and x equals to square root of y minus 4 plus minus. But since this x belongs to R plus, so we will consider only the positive real numbers. So x is only positive square root of y minus 4. This is the value of x. Now for each y belongs to 4 infinity. Y belongs to this one. This is domain and this is range. So x belongs to R plus and y belongs to 4 to infinity. So for each y belongs to this, there exists x equals to this one, root y minus 4 belongs to what? R plus, such that fx is this x square plus 4. Put the value of x from here, then we will get root y minus 4 square plus 4. This is the value of x By further simplification, we will get y minus 4 plus 4. These two cancel out. This is y. Or we can say fx equals to y. It means the image of x is y, or we can say that the pre-image of y is x. It means every element y belongs to this has a pre-image in the domain that is R plus. So we can say that the function is onto. Therefore, f is onto. Now, since it is 1, 1 and onto, so it is invertible function. Thus, f is 1, 1 and onto, so it is invertible. First part is proved. Now find f inverse. For this also, again, y belongs to 4 to infinity. Alright? Then there exists x belongs to R plus. Or we can write y equals to this. In place of fx, we will write y, because it is proved that fx equals to y. So in place of this fx, we will write y. Or you can say this is fx equal to x square plus 4. So y equals to x square plus 4. The same way as we have done here, we can write this as x square equal to y minus 4, x equal to root y minus 4. Now, what is x? This fx equal to y, so x is what? F inverse y. So in place of this, we can write f inverse y equals to root y minus 4.